But over in the Senate, several Republicans who will have to vote on whether to confirm Gaetz say they want to see that report.
What we want to do is make good decisions based upon all the relevant facts and information that we can get.
Texas Senator John Cornyn even suggesting he's ready to issue a subpoena if necessary, telling reporters we need to have a complete vetting of the nominees, not only so we know the nominee is qualified, but also to protect the president. I'm sure it's not in his best interest to have any surprises in the House Ethics Committee report.
I think there should not be any limitation on the Senate Judiciary Committee's investigation, including whatever the House Ethics Committee has generated.
So you want to see it?
Absolutely.
Overnight, Gaetz also at that Mar-a-Lago gala. Trump didn't mention him in his remarks, but he did praise another one of his highly controversial cabinet picks, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., one of Trump's top campaign supporters, who he has now chosen to lead the Department of Health and Human Services.
I guess if you like health and if you like people that live a long time, it's the most important position. RFK Jr. Bobby?
Kennedy, a prominent vaccine skeptic, deeply suspicious of mainstream medicine, has vowed to reshape the health system in the U.S.
The agency, the USDA, the FDA have been captured by the industries they're supposed to regulate. And they all have an interest in subsidies and then in mass poisoning the American public.
Today, a host of public health experts denouncing his selection as dangerous. The Center for Science and the Public Interest saying Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is not remotely qualified for the role and should be nowhere near the science-based agencies that safeguard our nutrition, food, safety, and health. Other groups like the American Academy of Pediatrics singling out his long campaign against vaccines, most of which have been used safely for decades, though Kennedy claims otherwise.
There's no vaccine that is, safe and effective.
Tonight, former acting CDC Director Dr. Richard Besser with the medical consensus that vaccines have saved lives.
There's nothing that I did for my patients that had more proven value for their health than making sure they were vaccinated fully and on time. And Mr. Kennedy has done more than just about anybody in shaking the confidence that parents have in the vaccines that are given to children.
And today, Trump turning to another rival turned loyal supporter, North Dakota Governor Doug Burgum, to be Interior Secretary. And tonight, he's filling out his communications team, naming longtime aide Stephen Chung as Communications Director, and for Press Secretary, campaign spokeswoman Caroline Leavitt. David.
Mary Bruce with us all week long. Mary, thank you.